Preventing team access after an employee exit is critical for your organization's security and data integrity. In this quick tutorial, we'll break down exactly how to make sure your ex-employee no longer has access to your systems, and we'll show you a simple way to handle this efficiently. The first step is to immediately deactivate the employee's company accounts across all platforms: email, cloud storage, internal chat tools, CRM, and any other systems your team uses. Don't wait until the end of the day or until HR processes the paperwork. Do this as soon as possible to prevent unauthorized access. Next, go through your permission settings on all tools your team uses. If your company has a centralized access management system, this process becomes much easier. Remove the user from any shared documents, folders, or teams where they had access. Don't just suspend their account, actually remove their access entirely so they can't access sensitive information in the future. For companies that use password management tools, make sure you change the passwords for accounts that the employee had access to. This could include admin accounts, internal tools, or third-party platforms. Resetting these passwords and issuing new ones immediately is one of the best ways to ensure there's no lingering access. A key area often overlooked is physical access to company devices. If the employee had a company laptop, desktop, or phone, make sure you retrieve those devices promptly. It's also important to wipe them clean of any company data, even if they've already been returned. This is especially important for laptops, which may contain sensitive information that could be compromised if left intact. One of the most effective ways to prevent team access after an employee exit is to use software that manages user access and permissions automatically. This software can track and revoke access in real time without you needing to manually go through each platform. Our recommended software is a great tool to help automate this process, saving you time and minimizing the risk of human error. The great thing about the software we'll be using is that it integrates with nearly every tool you're already using, from email systems to CRMs. This makes revoking access and managing permissions much easier and more streamlined. Finally, make sure your HR and IT teams have clear, documented procedures in place for employee exits. It's easy to forget a detail or two, but setting up a checklist will ensure that no step is skipped. This will ensure all accounts, devices, and permissions are properly managed without delay. To recap, here are the steps you need to take to prevent team access after an employee exit. 1. Immediately deactivate company accounts. 2. Remove them from shared documents and systems. 3. Reset passwords for accounts they had access to. 4. Retrieve and wipe any company devices. 5. Consider using access management software to streamline this process. Key takeaway: the quicker you act after an employee exit, the safer your business is. Streamlining this process with the right software will make sure no one can access sensitive company data once they've left. Don't forget to check out the exclusive free trial for the software we recommend in the description below. Take advantage of this offer to help streamline your security and access management process.